So what's up, guys? Today we have an iPad Air 4 that has a no power issue. So according to the customer, one day just woke up and start to turn on the iPad and it stopped responding. So it's an iPad Air, so we need to take up the screen and test it inside to see what's going on. Let's go ahead and do that. Remove the LCD screen and let's test the logic board to see what's going on. So let's see what we get. Let's test to see the charging connection, the battery connection. Okay, let's see what we get. 0.68, so it's okay. This is negative, it's positive. Let's mark it so we don't forget. It's negative here. Okay, let's mark it there. So let's try to see if there's a, I don't think there's a short, but let's inject some voltage to see the boot. Or see in the short. Oops. It's not short. It's good. Let's see the battery. Nothing wrong with the battery. Battery's taking 2 amps. So the battery was pretty much dead. Let's charge up a little bit, see if we can, maybe it's just a dead battery that we need to jump. Okay, that's good. All right. So it's charging again at 0.9 amps. So basically it's just a dead battery. Oh wow. Very interesting. Very interesting. 0.9 amp. That's pretty good. So just a dead battery. So let's try to hook up the screen and see what's going on. Okay, let's hook up the LED screen and see what we get. Okay. Okay, here goes nothing. All right. So we're charging at 0.9 amp. So this just maybe just a dead battery. Okay, so let's wait a bit and come back to it. Okay, so the iPad has been charging for probably 15-20 minutes already. So let's unplug it and plug it back in since we don't, there you go. All right. So it looks like the battery was over discharge and it ran out of juice. And you cannot, when it's over discharge and ran out of juice, you cannot plug it in and have it recharge again. So it's charging fine now. Which is good news. Well, guys, thanks for watching. It's charging at 7%. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So this is pretty easy repair, but you know, removing the screen is one heck of a job. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye for now.